On December 16th, the OneDrive team announced Office 365 customers on Microsoft's premium enterprise, government, and education plans will receive unlimited OneDrive for Business storage. This will apply to individuals and organizations with more than 5 people subscribing to one of the plans listed here. The new increased storage plan began rolling out to eligible customers in December, and Microsoft expects the rollout to be complete by the end of March 2016. Remember, this increase only applies to these plans. Be sure to read the December 16th Office blog post for all the details. In that very same blog post, Microsoft announced that the OneDrive for Business Next Generation Sync client for Windows and Mac is now available for deployment. This release improves reliability and performance and delivers core capabilities including selective sync, support for files up to 10 gigabytes in size, and it removes the 20,000 file sync limit. In addition, IT departments now have the ability to silently deploy and configure the new sync client on behalf of their end users. One of the challenges in today's modern workplace is a situation I find myself in quite often. That is trying to find a meeting time that works for all attendees. I don't know about you, but I sometimes feel like I spend more time scheduling a meeting than in the meeting itself. The new FindTime Outlook add-in just might help with meeting scheduling mayhem. You simply propose your preferred meeting times to all attendees, and FindTime allows everyone to vote. Once consensus is reached, the tool sends out the meeting invite on your behalf, eliminating the time-consuming back and forth usually required to find the best meeting time. One great thing about FindTime is that recipients can receive invites on any email provider and can access the FindTime voting website on any device. Only the organizer's email account must be on Office 365. You can install it today from the link in the December 3rd Office blog post. Using this tool will be worth your time. The program called First Release allows admins to select people and workgroups to receive Office 365 updates earlier than others in the organization. These First Release users can then test and familiarize themselves with the updates before they are rolled out to the entire organization. In the December 8th Office blog post, Microsoft announced 2 key improvements to the First Release program. First, 2 more services have been added to the First Release Select People feature: SharePoint Online and OneDrive for Business. This makes it much easier for admins to learn about and have power users vet new SharePoint and OneDrive for Business enhancements before they roll out to the organization. The second announcement focused on improvements in the Admin Center preview rolling out to customers with First Release enabled. These enhancements make it easier for admins to keep up to date concerning updates and changes to their service. You'll want to read the blog post to get the lowdown. Office 365 Groups is a service for Office 365 commercial and education customers that enables teams to come together and get work done by establishing a single team identity. Any user in your organization can create a group and start collaborating with others within minutes. Self-service group creation is great for end users, but we know IT needs to be able to easily manage groups, gain insight into their use, control their directories, and ensure that all group data is compliant. As announced on December 9th, Microsoft is enhancing and streamlining the administration of Office 365 groups to support these requirements. For compliance, admins can now perform an e-discovery and litigation hold on a group mailbox using the Exchange Admin Center, and on group files using the Office 365 Compliance Center. To streamline auditing, the Azure Management Portal now displays group management events in the Group Audit Report, including when the group was created and changes to group membership. Soon, these same events will appear in the Office 365 Compliance Center alongside other Office 365 events admins are used to tracking. This will give admins a complete picture of changes to every group over time. There are additional changes and details in the December 9th blog, as well as a preview of the features planned to roll out in the first quarter of calendar year 2016. It looks like my time's about up. Have a favorite new feature that I haven't covered yet? I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can contact me directly via the email listed on the screen. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you again next month.